Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Delicious Bimbli Sasav, a classic Goan recipe known for its perfect balance of tangy, sweet and mildly spiced flavors that instantly remind you of authentic home cooking. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Bimbli Sasav. This delicious Goan curry is made with fresh Bimblis, mustard, fenugreek seeds, freshly ground coconut with red chillies, garlic and a few spices, and finished with jaggery to balance its natural tang. It's simple, flavorful, mild curry that pairs perfectly with rice, roti or bread. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Bimbli Sasav. Step 1. Preparing the Bimblis. We have taken 20 Bimblis, which is around half kg. Wash them properly and pat dry them completely. Take one Bimbli, cut and discard its ends. Then cut the Bimbli into two halves the way I have shown. Similarly, cut the remaining Bimblis. Once all the Bimblis are cut, place them in a clean dry plastic or glass bowl. Remove thick seeds if any and discard them. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Apply the salt nicely to the Bimblis.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Bimblis are ready. Cover and keep them aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. For curry paste, take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Also take 4 bay ghee red chillies, cut them into smaller pieces and discard the stems and the fallen seeds. You will also need 4 cloves of garlic. Cut them into smaller pieces. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. For cooking, take around 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. 1/4 cup of jaggery. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 20 fenugreek or methi seeds, 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing powder. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the red chillies. Also add garlic, add the freshly grated coconut, cumin or jeera seeds, coriander seeds, turmeric or haldi powder. Add half cup or 125 ml of water. Grind to a fine paste. We added another 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water while grinding. Curry paste is ready. We also used 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water to rinse the mixer. Step 4. Preparing the Bimbli Sasav. On medium heat, place a wide open heavy bottom stainless steel or non-stick pan. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut or any other regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add the fenugreek or methi seeds. Add the asafoetida or hing powder. Also add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir everything nicely. After around a minute, add the Bimbli pieces. Stir them nicely. Saute them for around 2 to 3 minutes or until they change color. After around 2 to 3 minutes, add the curry paste. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 2 to 3 minutes, add the rinsed water. Mix everything properly. After around a minute, add the jaggery. You can use sugar instead of jaggery if you prefer. Color of the curry will differ based on what you are using. You will need to adjust the quantity of jaggery or sugar based on your taste preference. Check the thickness of the curry. It should not be too thick nor too thin. Add water if required to adjust the consistency. Once the jaggery has melted, add half cup or 125 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Check for salt, sweetness, sourness and add anything that is required. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and let it simmer for 5 to 8 minutes or until the Bimblis are cooked. Cook the Bimblis until they become soft and tender. Stir everything properly. Once done, remove the curry in a glass or ceramic bowl and do not keep the curry overnight in the pan in which it was cooked. Enjoy this Bimbli Sasav hot with rice, bread, chapati or roti. Delicious Bimbli Sasav is ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.